Number 1.
1987 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800, well-preserved original California shortbed truck showing 100,000 miles on the odometer. It wears its factory brown paint paired with a tan interior, maintaining the authentic look it had when it left the dealership. Under the hood sits the original 350 V8 engine with fuel injection, mated to an automatic transmission for smooth driving. This Silverado came well-equipped from the factory, featuring power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, a tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, cruise control, and rally wheels. Remarkably, it has never undergone a restoration, preserving much of its originality, although there is some minor rust in the cab. Having been parked for the last 10 years, it is currently not running, but with a clean title and strong factory specifications, it stands as an excellent candidate for revival or collector ownership.
Number 2.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. Under the hood, it's powered by a freshly built 355.7L engine from a 1995 swap, paired with a strong turbo 400 automatic transmission for smooth and reliable shifting. Performance is further boosted by aluminum heads, an aluminum air intake, and headers, giving it an impressive combination of power and responsiveness. The exterior stands out in a bold orange finish, perfectly contrasted by a sleek black interior. Riding on striking 26-inch rims, the truck commands attention wherever it goes. Running on gasoline and holding a clean title, this Chevy offers a blend of classic style, upgraded performance, and head-turning presence ideal for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a unique ride.
Number 3.
2000 Mazda B-Series, price $7,900. This pickup is a rare find in excellent condition, showing only 104,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, it features a clean white exterior paired with a well-kept gray interior. Every component functions exactly as it should, a testament to the meticulous care it has received from both its current and previous owner. Garage kept throughout its life, the truck is entirely free of rust and presents a well-maintained interior and exterior. It comes with a clean title and has been owned by just 2 enthusiasts who have taken exceptional pride in its upkeep. Ideal for collectors, classic truck fans, or anyone seeking a dependable and well-preserved vehicle, this B-Series is ready to impress both on the road and in the driveway.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, two-wheel drive pickup with 187,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance. This truck comes in a brown exterior and is equipped with cold air conditioning and strong heating for year-round comfort. 2 years ago, a replacement engine was installed, and documentation for the work is available.
The vehicle also sports new wheels and a C-notched frame, enhancing its stance and ride quality.
It runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a solid choice for both practical use and classic truck enthusiasts.
Number 5.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. The truck is a well-kept, driver-quality square body truck that hails from North Carolina. Wearing a bold red exterior and equipped with an automatic transmission, it has served as a reliable daily driver in the same household for over 5 years, confidently tackling all weather conditions, rain or shine. Power comes from a dependable 305 small block Chevy engine, paired with a smooth 700R4 automatic transmission, making both city cruising and highway drives a breeze. This classic pickup not only goes and stops exactly as it should, but also delivers the kind of vintage charm, character, and everyday usability that makes it a standout among classic trucks.
Number 6.
1994 Ford F150, price $7,000, finished in a vibrant red exterior, is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 198,000 miles on the odometer, it runs amazingly well, shifts smoothly, and presents itself in great condition. The owner has replaced and repaired numerous components, too many to list, ensuring it needs nothing to be enjoyed right away. This truck is currently driven daily and features cold air conditioning, making it both comfortable and dependable. It would serve perfectly as a reliable work truck or, for those interested, as an excellent candidate for a restoration project. While it could be restored to a showpiece, it is by no means a project vehicle unless the next owner chooses to make it one.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F250, price $5,000. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, it features the factory 302 5.0L V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Equipped with air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, an AM/FM radio, and dual fuel tanks, it offers both comfort and practicality. Originally a Georgia truck, it remains super clean and completely free of rust. There is a dent on the driver's side bed caused by a tree branch, but overall, the body is in excellent condition. The truck has been in storage for about 5 years and is not currently running, so it will need typical maintenance such as new fuel pumps, a fresh battery, and related servicing. Despite that, it stands out as a well-preserved example with great potential for someone looking for a solid, rust-free classic workhorse.
Number 8.
1967 Dodge D100, price $6,200. The truck being offered is a base model equipped with a 225/6 engine paired with an NP435 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in a striking yellow exterior with a black interior, it runs on gasoline and remains remarkably original. Originally purchased in Casa Grande, this truck has spent its entire life in the dry climates of Maricopa, Pinal, and Pima counties, making it 100% rust-free. The numbers-matching engine, which was originally painted yellow but later repainted black, likely during a rebuild, runs smoothly and has proven to be exceptionally reliable. Its originality, excellent mechanical condition, and rust-free body make it a rare find for enthusiasts and collectors alike.
Number 9.
1965 Ford F100, price $7,450. Wearing its naturally aged red exterior with pride and showcasing a great patina that adds to its authentic vintage appeal. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and under the hood sits a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering classic power and ease of driving. Its long bed provides generous cargo space, making it both practical and collectible. The truck has been upgraded with a lowered suspension for a more aggressive stance and improved handling, while a front disc brake conversion ensures better stopping performance compared to the original setup. It currently runs and drives, but would benefit from a complete mechanical check to ensure full roadworthiness. With minimal body damage and a solid overall condition, this F100 offers an excellent foundation for restoration, customization, or simply enjoying as a preserved piece of American truck history.
Number 10.
1971 Ford F150, price $6,500. This truck shows 151,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Sporting a bold red exterior paired with a matching red interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine. The engine is enhanced with a 4-barrel Holley carburetor, headers, and dual exhaust, giving it both strong performance and a classic V8 sound. The truck runs, drives, and shifts exceptionally well, remaining mechanically sound and driven on a regular basis.
With a clear title, solid overall condition, and timeless styling, this well-maintained pickup is ready to be enjoyed as a dependable driver or shown off as a piece of classic American automotive history.